I'm changing you back.
Welcome to Soaring Across America. My name is Patrick, Captain Patrick. I'd like to welcome you to this sunlight and spectacular flight. Begin boarding in a few minutes. First, the handsome young devil would like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cell phones, bottles, hats, and of course, these little dudes. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. As smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have the fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carrying on, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight. Soar into tower. We are ready for takeoff.
No.
On behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with us.
If you want another dose of Disney magic, click the video or playlist here. And if you enjoyed this one, join the Small World Grid today so you don't miss out on any future adventures.